so I attended this awesome workshop. In the beginning when I got here, it was quite daunting because I didn't know what to expect. But boy, God literally blew my mind. It is amazing that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strange people all gave the exact same words and direction. It is so encouraging just to hear that you're being uplifted. It is fun. It is encouraging. I would really, if you just want to come and have some fun, just want some direction, and just hear some guidance, do attend this workshop. It is out of this world. It is really, it's lifted my heart. It's given me hope. So yes, do attend this workshop. And Leonie is a perfect facilitator as always.
Thank you.
Will you whisper something happy in my ear? Just a sedative to make me disappear.